Hi students, let's see linear equations in two variables. Let's see what is linear equations first. Ready? So let's see that an equation in the form of x plus by plus c equal to 0, where a and b not equal to 0 is called linear equations in two variables. You can understand x plus by plus c. Here the variables are x and y. Here the variables are x and y. Ready? After that we have to see general form of a pair of linear equations in two variables. See now, if a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, where a1, b1, a2, b2 are not equal to 0, are called pair of linear equations in two variables. Ready? That means we are getting two equations. That is what pair of equations. Ready? Pair means, I hope you know that, two. That means pair of equations mean two linear equations. Next one, when you solve with these linear equations in a graph paper, we are going to get a straight line that shows that they are linear equations. Ready? So let us start exercise 3.1, the first question. Ready? I'm going to read the question. What do you want to do? Please write in your copy and keep it the question. Ready? Very important. This question you need to understand. If you are not understanding, gone. Ready? So let's start. I'm reading the question carefully. Aftaf tells his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. Ready? In this question, there is a father, his name is Aftaf. Ready? And his daughter also there. And what he is telling to his daughter, 7 years ago, I was 7 times old as you. See, 7 years ago. That means in this question, we can understand it is belongs to two variables, linear equations in two variables. That means we will keep, let Aftaf age be x and daughter's age be y. Ready? We are doing the first part as algebraic representation. Father age we are keeping as x and the daughter age as y. Ready? After that, what father told his daughter? 7 years ago. Ago means previous, isn't it? Back. That means 7 years ago. Aftaf age was x minus 7 and daughter age was daughter's age was y minus 7. But see the question, what is the condition? What the father told his daughter? Check it that. 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. 7 years ago, I was. That means the father age was. That means from the given question or from the condition. From the condition, we can write Aftaf age equals 7 times, that means 7 into daughter age. Daughter age. Say, Aftaf age equals 7 times daughter age. Aftaf age, how much was that? That was x minus 7 equals 7 into daughter age. 7 years back, that means y minus 7. Ready? Now this implies x minus 7 equals, we are opening with the 7. 7 into y, 7y minus 7 into 7, 49. Ready? This implies, what you will write? X minus 7. X minus 7. After that, 7y will carry to next side. That means it will be minus 7y, and then minus 49 will go to next side. Minus 49 will carry to next side. Then it will be plus 49 equal to 0. Ready? This implies x minus 7y. I am writing 7 by second. After that, minus 7 plus 49. Plus and minus. Minus. That means 49 minus 7. 42. Isn't it? So, we'll get 42. But we know that the bigger number is plus. So, the answer is plus. Equals 0. So, we got it now. X minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. That is equation number 1. Let us see the second condition. I am reading the second condition. 3 years from now. 3 years from now means will be future, isn't it? Now, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. That means after he is telling to his daughter, 3 years from now, means from now onwards, after 3 years, I will be, my age, after age will be 3 times old as you will be. That means what? The daughter age will be, isn't it? That means we'll write 3 years from now, after age will be x plus 3. After 3 years, isn't it? That means what will happen? Plus will do. Again, daughter's age will be y plus 3. But according to the condition, from the condition, what will you write? What you can say? After age will be, that means after age equals 3 times daughter age. Daughter age. This implies x plus 3 equals 3 into daughter age is y plus 3. Implies x plus 3 equals 3 into y, that is 3y. We are opening the bracket. After that, 3 into 3 plus 3 3s are 9. Ready? Now we'll carry these two terms to the next side. That means x plus 3y comes to next side, minus 3y, and plus 9 goes to next side, minus 9 equal to 0. Implies x minus, I am writing second as 3y, that means minus 3y. After that, plus 3 minus 9, plus and minus, what you will do? Minus, that means 9 minus 3, 6. So we'll get 6, but we know that the bigger number is 9, its sign is minus. So the answer is minus 6 equal to 0. This is equation number 2. Of course, this will be the algebraic representation of two equations. Ready? Now we'll go for graphical representation, isn't it? So for the graphical representation, first we have to make the coordinates of each equations. After that, we will make in the graph paper. Ready? So I am writing the first equation one more time. That is x minus 7y plus 42 equal to 0. Ready? Now what I will do means, this minus 7y I will carry to the next side. That means x plus 42 equals minus 7y goes next side, that is plus 7y. Ready? After that I will write 7y equals x plus 42. Ready? After that what you will do? Therefore y equals x plus 42 divided by this 7 is multiplying, so goes to next side, divide. Ready? So we got it now, y equals x plus 42 by 7. Now we can use any value for solving this, but the thing is that better to use some symbol values to get the proper answer, isn't it? For that what you will do? Practice more. I think some of you knows already from the lower classes. Otherwise, you need to practice, then you will understand. So I am putting direct now 0. When x equals 0, therefore y equals, what will happen? In place of x, we will put 0 now. That means 0 plus 42 by 7 equals 0 plus 42. That means 42. 42 by 7. 7 ones are are 7, 6 are 42. So we got it perfect number, that is 6. Let's put the next value. When x equals 7, therefore y equals, what will happen? Y equals x plus 42 by 7. But in place of x, what will put? 7. 7 plus 42 by 7. See, we took when x equals 7, but we know already the value of y is x plus 42 by 7, isn't it? So in place of x, what will put? 7. That means y equals 7 plus 42, that is 49 by 7 equals, you can cancel by 7, 7 ones are 7, 7 how many times here? 49, 7 sevens are, isn't it? So we got it now, 7. Ready? So from here we are getting one table. So I am making one table here now. What is the table? The first one x, next one y. After that I am taking the coordinates as x, y. Ready? First we took the value of x as 0. That time we got y as 6. That means 0, 6. Ready? So the coordinates, what will happen? x, y. That means 0, 6. After that we put the value of x as 7. That means we took 7 as x. That time we got the value of y as 7. That means what you got? 7, 7. X and y both are same. Ready? Now let us see the next equation. What is the second equation? X minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Ready? Same style. Minus 3y will carry to next side. That means x minus 6 equals minus 3y goes next side plus 3y. That means 3y. Therefore 3y equals x minus 6. Ready? Full. The left hand side I am bringing to right side and right hand side will carry to left side. Then the sign will not change. Now therefore y equals x minus 6 by 3, isn't it? Now what will do when x equals 0? If I put x equals 0, therefore y equals, what will happen? In place of x, what will put? 0. 0 minus 6 by 3 equals 0 minus 6 minus 6, isn't it? So we'll get minus 6, because 0 we can remove. So minus 6 divided by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. That means we got minus 2. Ready? When x equals 6, ready? Therefore y equals x minus 6. That means what we'll do? 6 minus 6, because in place of x we will put 6. 6 minus 6 is already here, divided by 3. 6 minus 6, 0 by 3. 0 by 3 is 0. Ready? See, now we will make the table here x, y, x, y. Ready? That means, let us see now the value of x first. 0. That time we got the value of y as minus 2. That means the coordinates will be 0, minus 2. After that, we took the value of x as 6 and the value of y as 0. That means we will get 6, 0 as the coordinates. Ready? Let us see this one in the graph paper. The first one, xy, the coordinates are 0, 6. 0, 6 means x equals 0, y equals 6. But the thing is that when you go for a graph paper, careful, you have to make this way the line. This is called x-axis and this is y-axis. I hope you know that. This is x-axis and this is y, and the right side is plus and the left side is minus, that means x dash, and downside is y dash, that is negative, and this upside will be positive y. This is y-axis and this is the horizontal line, this is the x-axis. This vertical line is the y-axis and the horizontal line is the x-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the point. What will you write? 0, 6. X is 0, y is 6. I hope you can understand. X0 means y-axis and y6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This one. And downside will not take. That is negative. Is it okay? Now that is 0, 6, we got it here. The next one. Second point, x is 7. x7 means there will be one vertical line, x7, and y7, this one. y7 means upside, positive number. So upside this way, it will come to this way and this way. These two will join. See, this way and this way, joining place here. Ready? So this point, what is that? This point, mark it as 7, 7. This point we mark it as 7, 7. Ready? These 2 points will join it with scale. We got the first line, this one. Ready? So we got from the first equation. So this first line we will keep here x minus 7y plus 42 equals 0, because from that equation we got this line, isn't it? Ready? So let's go for the, see, let us see the second box. That is x equal to 0, y equals minus 2. x0 means y-axis. x0 means y-axis. And y minus means it will be downside. Downside. x0 means y-axis. y0 means downside. Ready? That means minus 1, minus 2. So this is the point. What you'll write? 0, minus 2. X equal to 0, y equals minus 2. Next point, 6, 0. X equals 6 plus 6. So it will be in the right side. Ready? After that, y0 means x-axis. y0 means x. So this point, that is 6, 0. So the point is 6, 0, this one. Ready? So we'll join these two. See now, while joining, we got this line, isn't it? So this is the line for the second equation. What is that? X minus 3y minus 6 equal to 0. Ready? So this question we want to show only in the graph paper. That is what? This is the graphical representation of question number 1. Okay, let's go to the next question. Let's see question number 2. What do you want to do? Don't forget to write the question in your copy. Ready? So I am reading the question now. Question number 2. The coach of a cricket team buys 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900. Later, she buys another bat and 3 more balls of the same kind for rupees 1,300. Represent this situation algebraically and geometrically. Ready? See the question. A coach buys bat and balls, isn't it? So what you will write? Let x be the cost of one bat and y be the cost of one ball. Now what you are going to do? We are doing this one algebraically, isn't it? The representation we are doing in algebraically. So now see the question. What is the balance? 3 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,900, isn't it? That means 3 bats, that means 3 into the cost of one bat, x, plus how many balls? 6 balls, isn't it? So 6 into y equal how much? Rupees 3,900. This implies 3x. 3 into x means 3x plus 6 into y. 6y equals 3,900. Ready? So now all the place, what you can cancel? Or dividing throughout by 3. Just will cancel. 3 ones are, I am cancelling here by 3. 3 ones are 3. Here when you cancel by 3, 3 twos are 6. Now we will cancel by 3 here. When you cancel by 3, 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9 and these 2 zeros will write. This implies we'll get x plus 1x means x plus 2y equals 1,300. This is equation number 1. This is the first algebraic representation of this question. Ready? See the second condition. Later she buys another bat and 3 more balls. Another bat means one bat, isn't it? From the second condition, second case. Second case, what you can write? 1 bat and 3 balls equals 1,300. Ready? Rupees 1,300. That implies x plus 3y equals 1,300. This is equation number 2. So, algebraic representation. Representation, what you'll do? First equation is x plus 2y equals 1300. After that, x plus 3y equals 1300. Ready? These are the algebraic representation of second question. Ready? We will go for geometrical representation. Geometrical representation means we are going with graphical representation. Ready? See, the first equation is x plus 2y equals 1300 and the next one is x plus 3y equals 1300. So I am writing this as equation number 1 and this as equation number 2. That means the first equation, x plus 2y equals 1300. From here, therefore, 2y equals, see, 1300 is already here. This x goes to next side, minus x. Now, therefore, y equals 1300 minus x is already here. See, this 2y, 2 is multiplying to y. If it goes to next side, divided by 2. We will put value for x. So, we will write when x equals 0. Therefore, y equals 1300 minus, in place of x, what you will put? 0. Ready? So, 0 divided by 2 equals 1300 minus 0 means, no need to write, divided by 2. Ready? We will cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2. That means we will cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2. When you cancel here by 2, 2 6 are 12. Out of 13, 12 we took. And the balance is 1. 1 means 10. 10 means 2 5s are 10 and this 0. That means we got it now 650. Ready? When x equals 100. Ready? Therefore, y equals 1300 minus, in place of x, what you can write? 100 divided by 2 equals 1300 minus 100. How much you will get? Yes, 1200 divided by 2. Now we will cancel by 2. 2 ones are 2. Here when you cancel by 2, 2 6 are 12 and this 2 more 0. That means we got it 600. Ready? Now let's make the table now. xy means this is the coordinates for the graphical representation. Ready? First x, what we took the value of x? 0. That time what you got? Y as 650. So the coordinates is xy means 0, 650. 0, 650. Ready? After that, x equals 100. That time we got the value of y as 600. So the coordinates are 100 and 600. Okay. So we got it the first table. Let us see the second equation. What is that? X plus 3y equals 1300. Now, therefore 3y equals 1300. This x will carry to next side. It will be minus x. Now, therefore, y equals 1300 minus x, and 3y means 3 is multiplying. So, it goes to next side, divide by 3. Now, what you will do? When x equals, we can put any value, that is up to you. Ready? So, I am just putting when x equals 400, therefore, y equals, what you will do? 1300, it is already here, minus, in place of x, what you will write? 400 divided by 3 equals 1300 minus 400. How much you will get? Check it. Yes, 900. Ready? So, 900 divided by 3. Now, we will cancel by 3. See, we will cancel by 3. 3 ones are 3. We are going to cancel here by 3. 3 3s are 9 and these 2 zeros will write upside. So, we got the answer as 300. Ready? Now, we will take one more value. So, we will take when x equals 100. Ready? Therefore, y equals, this is our equation, 1300 minus, in place of x what you will put? 100 divided by 3. Ready? Equals 1300 minus 100. Yes, 1200 divided by 3 will cancel by 3. 3 ones are 3. Here will cancel by 3. 3 fours are 12. And these 2 zeros will write upside, isn't it? So the answer is 400. Ready? Now we'll go for the table. X, Y, X, Y. Ready? After that, what is the value of X first? 400. That time we got the value of Y as 300. That means XY means 400 and 300. Ready? After that, second case, X is 100. And we got the value of Y as 400. Therefore, XY we will take as 100 and 400. So, we will get a table like this. See, we will get one table like this way. I hope you understood. Ready? So, now what you will do? We will go for the graphical representation. Let us see the graphical representation. See the first table, 0, 650, 100, 600, isn't it? So, x-axis is the horizontal line and y-axis is the vertical line. Is it okay? Y-axis is the vertical line and this horizontal line is the x-axis. Ready? So, I am writing here 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, etc. This is x and this side of course it is negative. But we don't want to use it because it is not getting here, isn't it? Negative numbers are not here. Even y also not there, negatives. Now, upside I am writing 50, 100, 150, 200, 250, 300, it will continue. This is y-axis. Ready? After that, see the first points, 0, 650. X is 0. X0 means y-axis. X0 means y-axis. In this y-axis, how much you want? 650. See that 650 here, 400, 450, 500, 550, 600, 650. So this is the point for 0, 650. Ready? X is 0 means y-axis and 650 we got it now. Let's see now. Next point is x equal 100, y equal 600. X equal 100 means this one. See 100, 200, 300. So this 100. Here will be one vertical line. You can see in the graph there will be a vertical line. This belongs to x100. Ready? See that x100. After that y equal how much? 600. See this way you can see one line, isn't it? That is belongs to y 600. So we got it this point. This joining will keep 100, 600. Now after what you will do? These two will join. So we got it the straight line. See that is belongs to the first equation, that is x plus 2y equals 1300. Okay. So this is the first line. Ready? Let's see the second one. What is that? X equal 400, y equal 300. That is 400, 300. X equal 400 means horizontal line. 400 means right side. 100, 200, 300, 400. So here will be one vertical line. After that, y equal 300 means horizontal will get. Y equal 300 is here. Here one horizontal line. So these two joining place. See, these two joining place will keep one point. So this is the point 400, 300, isn't it? This is the point 400, 300. Next you see x equal 100, y equal 400. X equal 100 means this one. X equal 100 means right side in the horizontal line. So this 100, here one vertical line will get. See this vertical line 100 and y equals 400 this way, 400 this way and x equals 100 this way. So vertical. So this 100 and 400 will joining in this place, isn't it? So this will be the next point. What is that? 100, 400. 100, 400. Ready? So let us join this. See, now we got one straight line, isn't it? So we will write here x plus 3y equals 100. This is the graphical representation of question number 2. Okay. Let's see question number 3. So what do you want to do? Write the question. Okay. I'm reading the question now. The cost of 2 kilograms of apples and 1 kilograms of grapes on a day was found to be rupees 160. After a month, the cost of 4 kilograms of apples and 2 kilograms of grapes is rupees 300. Represent the situation algebraically and geometrically. Ready? So let's start the work first. What is given here? So in this question, there are two type of fruits, isn't it? One is apple and the other one is grapes. So apple you can take it as X and the grape cost we can take it as Y. Ready? So we'll write, let the cost of 1 kilogram of apple is X and the cost of 1 kilogram of grapes is, that means equals Y. Ready? Now see the condition. The condition is 2 kilogram of apples and 1 kilogram of grapes. That means 2 into X plus 1 into Y equals, how much is given? 160. Rupees 160. Ready? Then this implies 2x plus y equals 160. See, after that, what is given? After a month, the cost of 4 kilogram of apple and 2 kilogram of grape. So from the question, what you can write? After a month. See, 4 kilogram of apple, that means 4x plus. See, 4 kilogram of apple and 2 kilogram of grape, that means 2y equals, how much is given? 300. Isn't it? Now see, all the place we can cancel by 2. Then the value will not change. So 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2, how many times 2 1s are 2? Here 1, that means 10, 2 5s are 10 and this 0. That means we got it now. This implies 2x plus y equals 150. Actually what you want to do? Dividing throughout by 2. Okay, just I am doing direct. So the entire place I am cancelling by 2. If you want, you can do even direct. What you will do? Dividing throughout by 2. Ready? So we got it now. 2x plus y equals 150. This is the second equation. So these two are the algebraic representation. Therefore, the algebraic representation is, first one, 2x plus y equals 160 and 2x plus y equals 150. Ready? So for geometric representation, what you will do? We will take the both equations. What are the equations? 2x plus y equals 160, that is equation number 1. And the second equation is 2x plus y equals 150, that is equation number 2. Ready? From the first equation, we will make the table. For that, what you will write? 2x plus y equals 160. Therefore, y equals 160 and this 2x will carry to next side. It will be minus 2x. Ready? Now what you will do? When x equals, just I am putting 50. Therefore, y equals 160 minus 2 into 50 because the value of x is 50. Ready? This equals 160 minus 2 into 50, 100 equals, how much you will get? 60. When x equals 40. Therefore, y equals, what is y? 160 minus 2x. The value of x I am putting here 40. You can put any value, no problem. Ready? So, this equals 160 minus 2 into the value of x, what we put? 40. Equals 160 minus 2 into 40, 80 equals 160 minus 80. How much? Yes, 80, isn't it? So we got it now both values, so we can go for the table. See now, x, y, x, y. Ready? First, the value of x, what we took? 50. That time what we got the value of y? 60. So the coordinates are 50 and 60. After that, Second, what we took the value of x as 40. That time we got the value of y as 80. So we got it now. 40 and 80 are the coordinates. Ready? So let us go for the second equation. What is the second equation? 2x plus y equals 150. Therefore, y equals 150 is here. This 2x will carry next side. It will be minus 2x. Now we'll write when x equals 50, therefore y equals 150 minus 2 into, in place of x, what you will write? 50 into 50 equals 150 minus 2 into 50, that is 100, equals 150 minus 100, 50. Ready? So we got the first value of y. Now we'll take when x equals 30, therefore y equals, what is the value of y? Y we got it 150 minus 2 into x. X means 30. The value of x, you can put any value, that is your wish. This equals 150 minus 2 30s are 60. So 150 minus 60, 90. Ready? So we can go for the table now. X, y, x, y. Ready? Now see, the first value of x we took as 50. That time we got the value of y as 50. So the coordinates are 50, 50. After that, what we took the value of x as 30. That time we got the value of y as 90. That means the coordinates are 30, 90. Ready? See, now we got the second table. Ready? Now we will go for the graphical representation. Ready? Let's see the graphical representation. Ready? See that x equal 50, y equal 60. X equal 50, y equals 60. X equal 50 means that is on x axis. Ready? That is in the right side, 50. See, x equal 50 means this one, vertical line, isn't it? Now, y equals 60. So, this 60 line, see this 60, we can see one line. And this 50. So, this 50 and 60, these two lines are joining in this place, isn't it? So, this is the point 50, 60. X equals 50, y equals 60. If x equals 50, y equals 60. Ready? Next one. What is that? X equals 40, y equals 80. X equals 40. See, right side. 10, 20, 30, 40. So, this one, 40. Here one vertical line, 40. Ready? See, 40. After that, y equals 80. So, from 80, 80 means positive, so upside. So, 80, this one, and this 40, these two joining place. See, 80 here, and this 40. So, this joining place, see, this point will keep us 40, 80. Ready? Okay. So, now what we'll do? We'll join this. Ready? That means we got it now. This line, isn't it? So, here you can see 2x plus y equals 160. This one you need to write and keep. Ready? So, this is the graphical representation of the first equation. Ready? Let's see the second one. Second one is what? X equals 50, y equals 50. X equals 50, this vertical line. Ready? X equals 50 means right side, this line. And y equals 50 means this horizontal. See, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, this one. So, this 50, 50 joining place. See, there will keep one point. This is 50, 50. X equals 50, y equals 50. Ready? After that, x equals 30. The second one, x equals 30, y equals 90. X equals 30, y equals 90. Ready? So, 30, 90. X equals 30 means right side. 10, 20, 30. Here, this line. Ready? X equals 30 means this vertical line. Ready? And y equals 90 means upside 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. See this one. So, this 30 and 90. See 30 and 90 joining place? Yes, this point will keep us, what will write? 30, 90. Now, we will make one line. Ready? See now, we got the second line. See this one? say this joining place, isn't it? So this is 2x plus y equals 150. So this is the second graphical representation of the equation, isn't it? This is the graphical representation of the second equation. Ready? So we got it now, the entire exercise 3.1. So what do you want to do? Don't forget to subscribe this channel to get the balance answers. So please wait for the next video. Okay.